Hello friends, welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. We learn easy and simple. Let's start. Here we took a marker or color pencil. First we draw a straight line. Let's draw another straight line. Join the line. It's like a box. Let's draw a line under this box. This line grow to right side. Here is the end. Again we draw the line from the right side of the box. Here we draw a curve and join two lines. Here it is. And finally we draw the socks. Divide its middle part through a line. Here we draw the same line into the corner. The socks look like this. Here we draw some cute line upper the big line. Here we draw the eyes of the socks. Let's draw the eyes. Wow, this is so beautiful and too cute. Here we done the face. Now we draw a star shape. Here we draw two love shape. Wow, this is very beautiful and attractive like you. Let's learn the color. This is yellow star. This is red color. The body of this drawing is red color. Kids, do you like red color? So please like this video. Let's draw with me. This looks awesome. complete. Happy Christmas to all of you. Kids, do you like gifts? So then please like this video. Carefully draw with me. It's red color. Its color is red. Red color is looking beautiful. Next we color the love shape. The love shape is red color. And our Christmas drawing is completed. Like this video and subscribe this channel.